Namaste, welcome to this class of my program Buongiorno Benessere, Welcome Wellness in English, of movements of yoga flow with all your body, mind and breath, all your being in a whole way, listening to every sensation and in harmony with all nature around you. Start with this movement like a paintbrush, your wrists relaxed and your breathing very natural from your nose. Inhale and exhale and move very softly by losing every tension in your joints. Expand your movement and leave the movement happen, listening to every sensation of your body. Enjoy your movement and do this, the tempest movement, as to throw away every tension and every heaviness from your mind. This is the meaning of this movement taken from the Wing Chun practice. Move slowly and enjoy your wide movements and do this one like gathering energy from the earth and rising up toward the sky, embracing your whole body and moving always very slowly. Listen to your rhythm without forcing the positions. Flat back in the squat as much as you can. Do your squat right for your body and listen to every muscle. Inhale up, exhale down, and do this Shiva dance movement, balancing on one foot and lifting the other one. Same hand and same knee up. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, lift, exhale, return. Release and relax with this elephant movement, leaving your arms very relaxed to your side, one and the other one. And prepare for another movement. Keep your abdomen and do the bear movement like a lunge and pushing something forward with your hand as to put your energy from your belly toward the end of your hand and out of you. And this way, one side and one other side. Same movement. Push with your lunge and push the energy forward. And now do like a light movement cane movement, as to feel the energy with your arms and your hands in front of your heart and feel your whole body with light. Inhale, arms toward your head. Exhale, throw away every negativity. Inhale with this Qigong movement, filling your body with your light, and exhale out of your being everything you want to throw away. Breathe with the Ujjayi, just activating your throat to be able to breathe in very slowly from your nostrils. Very long exhalation, but as much as you can enjoy your breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. Just to feel all the energy you have moved, and swing your pelvis a little bit, adjust your position, do some micro movement just to keep your standing position with joy, and enjoy every sensation after your sequence. Enjoy your breathing, enjoy your body sensation and your mind. This is a meditation into your body, and try to do every movement like that, as to be a meditation. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, close your hands and greet yourself and thank everything around you and yourself too. Keep following my videos and put a like if you like my video and share. Thank you.